side.
Hot. Oh yeah.
Show me the money. What do we got? Oh, there's money in there. Look at that. Open that up. Open that
Oh
up.
yeah.
Oh my God, that thing is full to the top. Oh, that's way more than we've ever found, dude. Oh yeah, there's gotta be at least 100 right there. Easy. Oh my God. It's way more than 100.
Seems like a lot more than the last one.
Yeah, that's insane.
Let's keep going.
Oh, I see change in there too, look. Oh, that thing is almost full. Someone grab that out of there so we can see. Oh. Damn, check that out. That is super heavy too, feel that. Yeah, those are all quarters too. Or most of them. It's insane. Oh, look at that there. Changer's full too. We got like 20 quarters and almost 3 nickels and then almost 10 dimes. Damn, we hit the jackpot. Look at all that green. Yeah, okay. Now we're gonna split it 50-50. Or you can take the cash, I'll sell the machine. Damn, that is insane, dude. It's a nice payday, right?
Jackpot. Spread it out. Let it look.
It's beautiful.
Too bad it wasn't
It's all money,
20s, huh?
baby. Yeah, that would be nice. But money's money, right? Even the change. Wow. It's gotta be over 15 change, right? Some of these look older. But that would take a long time to go through all these. Let's count that up later, but
Okay, how about I take the cash, you get the change?
no, I don't know about that. Well, maybe if there's more change than bills, I don't know. There's a lot of freaking change here, and most of these are quarters. This could be over 100 and change, though. You never know.
Pull this thing out.
Yeah, let's get that changer. Because that's like 40 bucks and change, right? Or no, more like 30.
I couldn't read what to say on there.
Yeah,
The amount.
like almost 20 in quarters. Nickels is only at like 3, and then the dimes is at like 10. All right, now it's time to count up this money and see how much we got. I'm gonna guess we got about 150. What do you think?
Yes, 151, and whoever's closer gets it.
151, really? No, I'll make a real guess.
175.
$200.
15.
215. That is way more than we've ever found in any other machine. It's not bad for like 10 minutes of work, right?
Right, plus all that change.
True. So this might not look like much, but I guarantee you, in this pile of change right here, there's got to be like $100 or more. I mean, like right in your hand, that's got to be $2, and then you consider how much is on the table.